What was powerful in what you said was the nice guy. The thing that I was talking to is I feel on rails in how I'm pursuing. And I think that's what had the stress and anxiety is I've never been in a place of, okay, 20 or 30. And as you say, for every text, for every interaction, like my masculine is taking protection. How is that feminine going to feel? Because potentially, even if it's while I'm dating others or non-monogamous or however it gets built out, potentially I'm acting like you're the one instead of the one right now. That's what the fuck I had to let go of. I genuinely had to go back to my profile. Wait a minute, I didn't even say none of this shit. Like, how did I get caught up into, for myself? No blame out there. I'm looking at this is how I'm thinking and feeling. Where the fuck did this come from? You said that work? That's where I was. It was to a point where even when I got the free time, who do I call? Which one do I call? There was so much high stakes in work from abundance that I'm like, I don't want to talk to nobody. Fuck it. Like, I don't want to work. I don't want to be ready for the call, be ready for work. I don't want to bring my masculine containment to the table. I don't want to lead that. And I got clear somewhere along the way for myself. It feels like Dwayne's nice guy shedding away to actually be leading. Because what I see as my containment was not prepared to manage in a context of every single one of them is the one, 20 or 30 connections. I had a hard time with cutting off the ones I'm not interested in. I mean, in a way, nowadays you can't help but ghost somebody because if they're not feeling you to be texting every day when you're done with them, well, I guess I'll stop checking in on you. And yeah, it's no different. That train's gone. And I actually got for myself, fuck it, that is the standard actually. If I can't pick up the phone to call you or text you till 3 weeks later, maybe I'm living my life, maybe I'm talking to other women, maybe I'm not that into you. And it doesn't work on this connection of we never knew each other before and I'm just Dwayne Langham out here making friends and shit. Do you want to come out, have a good time, be around some masculine? I'm looking for feminine, I'm free, what's up? And if that don't work, great, cool. I got enough going on in my life that I don't need to manage a conversation for 20 or any V1s. Getting back the lead in that conversation for me has been a breakthrough this week. I needed that shit.